As gardeners, we're always looking for something to help us gardens. Well, I'm with Jeff today, and he's from Daisy Rain Garden Systems. And Jeff, this is incredible. What a great invention. You are amazing.
Wow, I like that. My wife would argue, but...
But you came up with something to really solve a lot of problems for us that we love to garden in pots on our deck or on our patio, and you came up with a cool system that it's going to help the plants be healthy and it's going to look nice.
Yes, and I came up with it to solve my problem because we use the microline stuff, drip irrigation. It's very temperamental. When it works great, but you have to stay on it.
Right.
I wanted something that was tough and we could expand. We call this macro drip, meaning not 6 gallons or less per hour. We do 40 gallons an hour, but it's half inch. It's still low pressure. It's still 25 pounds of pressure, but the idea is to get the plants watered quickly with a system that won't clog and is easy to put together and it's dependable.
That's
wonderful.
The key. Yeah, because you don't want dead plants.
Plants are expensive, either with your time or your dollars.
Right.
It's an investment.
Right. Well, this is cool because there's just like this kind of little gorge right here. So tell us about that.
That's our keyway. That's our patented keyway. And basically what it allows for, this will accept actually a number of pipes. PVC Schedule 40 pipe. We use this 17 millimeter half-inch drip pipe. But this keyway allows you to come into the pot with the half-inch pipe. And that way, if you still love that microline drip stuff, you can actually go ahead and thread that onto here.
Ah, sure.
And another way, there's so many ways to use these, but you can use these as a distribution point. Hanging flowers, you can run your half-inch line to it and then come out of this and do your hanging pots.
Oh, wow.
But it's just the idea that it's dependable and it's easy to put away and it's really simple to set up. In fact, all you have to do is
Okay, show us here. Okay.
hook up a hose.
Okay.
Can you hook up a hose?
I can. I know how to do that.
Both ends?
Yes,
Then you're in business.
Excellent.
Because that's it. Our kit comes with a pre-assembled pressure reducer, the swivel, everything you need. Now what we're showing here, this is basically flower and vegetable. You can germinate, you plant the flowers around here, it works great. If you want to do a rose or a shrub, a boxwood, an arborvitae with stuff around it, you simply don't put on the head, and you bend the pipe over,
All right.
you put this 8 bend on, and you basically poke a hole in it.
Okay.
The roots, this will work in tandem with this. So this output, believe it or not, because of evaporation, the shrub will get just enough water as the tomatoes or whatever
Perfect.
out in the other pots.
And about how many could we daisy chain together then?
25.
Wow.
25. You can actually do 27, but we say 25.
Yeah, just
because
be
we're
safe.
pessimists.
Well, you want that last one to get the water, don't you?
25 is too many. These are 7-gallon pots. These will take any plant to full maturity, any plant. And that was kind of, they only come in one size now. We had to err on the side of we wanted to take every plant to full maturity.
Sure.
And so, but they're at perfect size. And the 25 of them's too many.
Well, you know, I love their website too because, of course, we love to see a video of it. You have great videos on your website. And then we can also order off the website too.
Absolutely, absolutely. In fact, we are not in retail yet. We are in Ace stores. We're in their catalog. Their stores can buy us. But it's going to be a year before they buy that seasonal stuff. But
Sure.
yes, you can buy them direct. We ship them. We've got great deals going. And I appreciate what you said about the video. My son does those videos.
Oh, excellent.
We do them ourselves. We're mom, pa. We do everything.
Wow.
We actually mold these in Hillsboro. All the pieces are basically American, every piece. And we assemble them and ship them out.
So, you know, we love local, and a local inventor, local family, local company that you can get, and you can get it this season. You don't have to wait till it's in the store. So you can go to gardentime.tv, we'll click you over to their website, and you can see the video, see how easy it is, and order one and have one on the deck really soon.
For Mother's Day.
There you go.
It's a great present for Mother's Day. My shameless plug.
That's okay, that's okay. That's how you do business.
I'm shameless.
Thanks so much, Jeff.
Thank you.